Today I am doing a outdoor fundraiser for a friend's band. I will not be bringing any of my sound or any of my lighting. They are just having me run their mixer, which is fun because you don't have to take as much stuff, but it's a little taxing because you get used to your workflow of what you do on your mixer, and especially if they have a different mixer, that can be a challenge, but it's gonna be a fun night. Today we will be setting up at a park that is right next to a lake, and it is the perfect day for a show. We have an Ampeg bass rig. We of course have a keyboard player and drums. And the guitar player is using a Helix, and he'll be running it through a tube amp into a cab. For subs, we'll be using the EKX15s. And for the tops will be the EKX15s. And the mixer tonight is an XR18. Alright, we're all ready to go. People are showing up. Let's start this gig. Check out that incredible sunset. The night is winding down, but the party's still going. Well, the gig is over, and all we have is the night sky and the beautiful houses on the side of the lake. It was a really good gig, and they raised quite a bit of money, and they were actually invited back for next year, so maybe we'll do another video next year. Thanks for joining me in this video. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. I'm super close to being monetized, and then I can do even more of these fun videos.